Good morning, local news for Monday the 18th of September. 3 people have been arrested following an incident in Masterton last Thursday evening. Shots were fired from a car towards a house on Grant Crescent at 7:30pm. Police patrolling in the area spotted a car on River Road within minutes of the shots being fired. 3 people were arrested, a firearm and ammunition recovered, and all appeared in the Masterton District Courts last Friday. Wairarapa Area Investigations Manager, Detective Senior Sergeant Barry Bysouth, says we were able to resolve this matter quickly and safely due to staff being close when this occurred. Shock Chocolates have won a gold, 2 silver and 2 bronze at the inaugural New Zealand Chocolate Awards 2017. The gold was awarded for the lavender salted caramel, the silvers for the lemon white and the stirrer orange geranium, and the bronzes for taste Wellington and peanut bark. 8 chocolate creations were entered, and with 5 wins, Shock Chocolates say they are over the moon. And tickets for what organisers believe to be the best Toast Martaba yet go on sale at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning via Ticketek. Toast Martaba General Manager Anna Nielsen said the November 19 event, now in its 26th year, will continue to redefine the wine and food festival experience. Ms Nielsen says this year we are raising the bar again with an incredible lineup of participating wineries, restaurant, food trucks and some of New Zealand's best entertainment to offer, unlike any other. And in sport, the Farriers Wairarapa Bush have gone down to Mid-Canterbury in round 4 of the Minor 10 Heartland Championship. A try in the first few minutes to the home side had us looking good, but it wasn't to be as Mid-Canterbury piled on the points. A strong second half comeback saw a bonus point secured, but Mid-Canterbury were convincing winners 60-24. For Wairarapa TV Local News, for MoreFM, I'm Brent Gare.